talk about how can you find your withdrawal on your app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on fonts down here, so you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on withdraw, you just click on it here. When you just click on withdraw, it's going to take you to this list, just waiting to open with you here. So then here can you find here your withdrawals here in this list here in the on your app. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you I get it, that's all. So here like you see there are not funds available for withdrawal. Make deposit first, so you have to make deposit first, then it's going to show for your withdrawal. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by